Hey guys, what's going on? It's Boy Tristan here today, back with another LEGO video. Sorry guys if I sound weird today. I am very sick. But without further ado, let's go on with the video. Okay, so this truck, it's gonna say update. So this is let's see, what station is this? Hold on, let me think about it. Okay, sorry guys, this is station 3 / station 4. I'm sorry I'm like this today, guys. I'm just, like I said, sick. So, I guess I'll move these aside first. So, this is, Rescue 2. It's basically said exactly the same, though I changed, the, turning signals to, transfer, black almost, which I think looks pretty cool. I don't think I have anything in here, but I'll check and see. Yeah, no, I don't have anything there. I've got a nice hose there. On the back, I got the pump panel. Top, you just got a boat. This is 2 on it. Nothing too fancy on the top. It's got a green, red light bar. Then on the other side, it's got a compartment, fire extinguisher, and that's about it for Rescue 2. On with the main update. So this is brand new Tinker 1. It was supposed to be a T-Series. I don't know if it looks like a T-Series, but it's supposed to be a T-Series. You got rotary lights, but in the sections. You got blue, red, and red, green. Steering wheel. On the other side, you got a red and blue rotating beacon. On the other side, you got a red and green rotating beacon. On the back, you got turn signals and brake lights. And there's your intake, and there's your dunk table to dump water into like a big giant swimming pool. Carries 3,000 gallons of water and 250 gallons of foam. I'm trying to think. The engine 4, my bad. I was trying to remember this engine 1. So this is engine 4, has not changed at all. Basically the same. Pierce Air XT pumper. Back, hose bed, standard, compartment, pump panel. Engine 2, I added an orange light there and I made this a little different. Favorite Q siren, your LED lights, light bar, hold up to 3 firefighters, pump panel, compartment, hose bed up there, your hose, your compartment, nothing in there. The other side of the pump panel. Like we said, this is a 1982 American LaFrance engine. 500 gallons of water. And yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. Let's put the engines back how they were. If I can fix this one. But guys, if you guys want to use this design, you're more than welcome to use this design. Just make sure to give me credit, and also go to give credit to K Stream Fire Department as well, because his videos are pretty awesome. And also South Break Falls Fire. That's where I learned to do this, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace.